Track 155. A.
Giraffe,
B.
leopard,
C.
crocodile,
D.
snake,
E.
bear,
F.
tiger,
G.
kangaroo,
H.
elephant,
I.
zebra,
J.
monkey.
Track 156.
Now you're back at school. Write about your summer for the school website. Were you at the beach? Were you at home?
It was the beginning of the school holidays and I was bored. Then my mum's friend Jess phoned. She has a small safari park and she needed some help for a day. At 7 a.m. the next day, Jess walked with me around the safari park and showed me all the different animals. I liked the giraffes best with their amazing dark blue tongues. After that, I started work. First, I carried food to the different animal houses. I waited outside and watched the workers feed the animals. The tigers and the bears were very hungry and finished all their food quickly. The monkeys played a noisy game with their food. They weren't hungry. Next, I cleaned some of the animal houses. I even cleaned the snake house. After lunch, the safari park opened for visitors. I worked at the ticket office. I took money from the visitors and gave them information about the safari park. Most people wanted to know the crocodile feeding time because that's fun to watch. The safari park closed at 5 p.m. I really enjoyed my day and Jess asked me to go back and help the next day. In the end, I helped in the safari park for 2 weeks and it was fantastic.
Track 157.
Carry, carried. Like, liked. Need, needed. Paint, painted. Start, started. Show, showed. Talk, talked. Visit, visited. Wait, waited. Want, wanted. Wash, washed.
Track 158. A.
A dog and a puppy,
B.
a mouse,
C.
a bird,
D.
a donkey,
E.
a rabbit,
F.
a cat and a kitten,
G.
a sheep,
H.
a cow.
Track 159.
Birds, cats, cows, dogs. donkeys, kittens, mice, puppies, rabbits, sheep.
Track 160.
Our next caller is Zara. She lives in a village in Devon, England. Hi, Zara.
Hi, Jim.
So, Zara, how many pets have you got?
Well, me personally, I've got a cat and 4 fish. I asked for a cat for my 12th birthday. That was 3 years ago.
Ah, what about the fish? Were they a present too?
Not really. My friend didn't want them, and I really liked them. They are such beautiful colours. They're in my bedroom. I like watching them. They're better than TV.
You answered me personally when I asked you before. Have other people in your family got pets too?
Yes, my brother's got 2 pet white mice, and my mum's got a bird. The bird's a bit sad because it's in a cage.
Right. Thank you, Zara.
Wait a minute, Jim. We didn't talk about farm animals. I only talked about our pets. You didn't ask me.
No, I didn't ask you. Sorry. Tell me about the other animals you've got.
We're on a farm, so we've got donkeys, sheep, and cows in the fields. Oh, and a sheepdog. It was funny. He didn't like the sheep at first, and he didn't want to go into the sheep fields with my dad. He always tried to run into the house, but now he's a really good sheepdog.
Do you have any more animals?
No, I want to get a rabbit, though.
Perhaps for your next birthday. Bye for now.
Bye!
Track 161. 1,
Didn't practice.
2,
Didn't stop.
3,
Didn't love.
4,
Didn't study.
5,
Didn't change.
6,
Didn't use.
7,
Didn't remember.
8.
Didn't carry.
Track 162.
Films at your cinema this week. Looking for Gold. An exciting film about explorers. 5 stars. Cinema Guide. Wizard Academy 3. Did you like Wizard Academy 1 and 2? Then here's film number 3. Full of Magic. Film times. Planet Aliens. A very interesting film. And funny too. 4 stars. Movie news. Claire. 11:30.
Let's choose a film we all want to see. I really like films about superheroes or films about wizards. They're exciting. Look, there's a new Wizard Academy film. I want to see that. What do you think?
Tom. 11:34.
I think films about wizards are okay. I really don't like films about aliens. I don't want to see Planet Aliens. I like films about real people, but there isn't one. I also like films about explorers. So, how about Looking for Gold?
Beth, 11:39.
Oh, I really don't like films about explorers. I like films about animals, but there isn't one. I also like films about aliens, but you don't like them, Tom, so that's no good. I like films about wizards too. We all like films about wizards, so let's see Wizard Academy 3.
Track 163.
Wizard Academy 3 was really good.
Yeah, it was great. I loved it.
It was okay.
The magic scenes were really cool. My favourite part was when the bad wizard changed into a monkey.
Yeah, that part was good. But now it's time for pizza.
Yes, I'm hungry. Let's order one big pizza for the 3 of us. We need to choose a pizza we all like.
Good idea. Here's the menu. So, what do we want on our pizza?
Well, they've all got cheese and tomato on them. Is that okay?
Yes.
Of course.
Good. So we all like cheese and tomato. And how about egg? I really like egg on my pizza.
That's fine. I think egg's okay.
Oh, sorry. I really don't like egg on pizza. I like fish. Do you like fish, Claire?
Yes, I like fish. And look, they've got tuna pizza on the menu.
No, sorry. I really don't like tuna.
Okay, don't worry, Beth. No tuna.
But I like vegetables. How about vegetables on our pizza?
Yes, okay.
Oh, yes, I really like vegetables.
So, we all like vegetables. Great. And I really like cheese.
Me too. I love cheese.
Yep, me too. So let's get extra cheese.
So that's a big cheese and tomato pizza with lots of vegetables on it.
And extra cheese.
Yum! I'm so hungry.
Track 164.
In January, I was in Brazil. It rained every day. In February, I was in Canada. It snowed a lot, and it was very cold. In March, I was in Colombia. It was really warm. In April, I was in England. There was a lot of wind. Sometimes it was difficult to walk. In May, I was in India. It was very hot. Now it's June, and I'm at home in Australia. It's nice and warm here. I love it.
Track 165. 1.
Snow on the cold glass, but inside it's warm.
2.
Summer night, in bed, but not sleeping, listening to the rain.
3.
Long summer days, There's no school for months. Why am I sad?
4.
The beach in winter. Cold wind in my face. Water in my shoes.
5.
First snow of winter. All the trees have new clothes.